My name is Maggie Kretschmann and I'm the Business Development Coordinator here at Alpha Foundations. We recognize that one of our best forms of marketing here is you, our customers. That's why we're asking you to create a short video testimonial about your experience with Alpha Foundations. All you would need to do is follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Before starting the video, make sure that your phone or laptop is on a flat surface. Step 2. When preparing your video testimonial, keep these questions in mind. What issues were you dealing with before calling on Alpha Foundations? How was your overall experience working with our company? And were you pleased with the results of the work done? Step 3. When you have finished recording your video, send it to the email address at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Thank you so much for participating. We look forward to seeing your responses.